Hi everyone, this tutorial will teach you on how to use content-aware move tool and eraser tool of Adobe Photoshop. So if you don't have or if you haven't selected a photo yet, you can click File, Open, then Browse Picture, choose from your files, or you can also simply browse from your mini bridge. So since I have already selected a picture, now let's start. So select the part that you want to move. Like this. Do it carefully. Just select the part that you want to be moved. So I am selecting this person, excluding the other part of the photo. Now I'll be using this tool, which is the move tool. I'll move this part of the photo to the another picture. Here. Now I'll be using the eraser tool. I'll erase the part which is not necessary, which is not important. Use the move tool by simply dragging the selected photo, and now the eraser, right click the mouse, long press it, then put the eraser into the part that you want to erase. Just do it carefully. Almost done. So it's done. And if you want to add some text, just simply click the T button, then type your text here. Oh, it's not working. Exclude that part, so I'll be saving it now. Click File, then save. Name it whatever you want to name it. So I'll be naming it my doorbell. So click save. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you.